I saw the cross already. Yeah.
Some other batteries.
Ja, aber guck mal, er hat ja Nummer 2 Stück hier liegen. T-Shirt voll. This is so good not to use the gasoline motors anymore.
Oh yes.
Yeah, it
Oh
makes
yes.
such a huge
There's a lot of
difference.
gasoline motors.
Are they still a lot
Oh
around?
yes, yes,
Yeah?
yes.
I think this is so much cleaner and
It is, it is, it is.
it always works. The
Yeah, it
gasoline ones
works.
you never know. Right?
And all the dirt, you know,
Yeah.
all the gasoline. I have a Vapor motor. I flew before,
Okay.
but that's many years ago. Maybe we're gonna crash it this time.
Is it hard to?
Huh?
Is it hard to do?
What did you say?
Is it hard to do the exact?
It's very hard to do unless you know how to do it. Look at the thing here. On a propeller like this one here. I cut myself.
Oh, wow.
All the way in there.
That was painful.
No, after that it was
Oh,
painful.
after that, well, yeah, absolutely. Thomas, come here.
I only have rudder.
Yeah.
Up and down. It's so easy, so you know how to do it. You can go all the way down like this one, straight on here. If you know